Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Turns Chaotic After Drunk Driver Attacks Police.
Stop. Stop walking.
Y'all about to take me somewhere I don't need to go. I don't give a Can I call somebody to get my son? The is y'all talking about? Man, can I call somebody? Oh, now I'm grabbing. Now I'm doing something.
Hey man, how you doing? Why you sleep at the wheel?
I passed my street.
What's that?
I passed my street right there.
You're sleeping. I've been standing here for like a minute.
I'm not disobeying with you.
Oh, any drinking or anything tonight?
There's no drinking, sir. Can I answer this?
What's up?
Can I answer this?
Ask for what?
Answer this.
What, a cell phone?
Yes, sir.
No, just stay with me for a second. Do me a favor. My partner's on the other side. Will you step out for me, please?
Wow, man.
You weren't waking.
I want to take my car.
No, don't go anywhere.
Go with you. Follow me. Please.
No, nope, we're not leaving here.
Please.
Nope.
My car right
No, step out of the car. That's a lawful order. Step out of the car. I'm not asking you.
Cannot stand y'all, man. Cannot stand y'all, man. Let me see somebody down bad.
Calm down.
Don't touch me.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
My hands
Stop.
are here. Don't touch me. Y'all want to see somebody down? Don't touch me.
You do this to yourself and you blame the police? What kind of... Come on, man. you sleep. What do you want them to do?
Stop it. Stop what? Stop acting like a fool right now.
Look, y'all. Y'all do not. I just put my glasses. Nah, you can see that first seat, man. I just put my glasses.
Do not go near the car seat right
I
now.
just put the glasses in there, sir. You can just look. Just look. I just put glasses, front seat. Please. Don't even look. What am I doing with y'all, man?
Stop walking.
Stop.
Racist.
Stop walking.
What? Y'all about to take me somewhere I don't need to fucking go.
Stop, dude.
Calm down.
Knock it off.
Nigga,
Why are
y'all
you
can let
acting
me
like
go.
this? Why are you acting like
Can't
this?
stand y'all. That's why.
We've done nothing to you.
Okay, I know what y'all about to do. Okay.
What? What are we about to do?
Do what y'all about to do.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No.
Will you take field sobriety tests? You will?
Let's go. I will not take nothing. Take me to jail.
Quit walking from the car. Step over here.
Okay, but I don't think y'all need to keep grabbing me.
Well, quit
walking away.
That's cool. Say that.
Will you take field sobriety tests?
No.
No? You
You
smell
said
like
already.
you smell like alcohol. You've
I
been
don't give a
drinking.
f. Can I call somebody to get my son? The f is y'all talking about?
Stop.
Man, can I call somebody? Oh, now I'm grabbing. Now I'm doing something better again.
Now he's doing a handcuff.
I just want to call somebody to get my son.
Put your hands back.
I want to go with y'all. I just want to call somebody to get my son.
Put your hands back. You're not letting us.
Put your yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
What do you think we're gonna do?
Let
Just
go.
leave your son in the car?
Get off. I want to call.
You're under
Who
arrest.
can
Stop
y'all
it.
go? I know that. I just want to
Stop.
call somebody.
Stop.
I can't call nobody.
We can make that happen.
How?
Just, dude, stop freaking out. You're under arrest. Stop
I know.
resisting.
I know. All right.
Stop resisting.
It's not gonna help me no way. I just fucking put my hands behind my back. Why is you putting your foot on my?
Because you keep fucking moving.
But I just put them behind my back on my own, didn't I? Y'all forced me to do this, or I just did it. Oh, you ain't going. This is get the off my foot, nigga. Fuck you. Yo, man, you talking? Take me off. Take me off. Make it please.
Stop.
We're done.
I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
I'm seeing you. I don't got nothing to get in my fucking pocket, pussy. I got shit on me. Oh my God, I don't have nothing. Oh, man, get the f off of me. I'm not even trying to get out the fucking hand. Get your sick ass off me. Get me in this car.
Quit.
Get me in the car.
Did you just kick me?
I don't have nothing.
Quit kicking.
All right, I'm not kicking. Look. Thank you, because I'm literally on the tire. Get me in the car. I don't have nothing on me.
Quit moving.
We're gonna test.
Ah! Get off of me. I don't have nothing on me. I'm driving my son. Put me in the back seat. Yo. Man, put me in the back seat. Get the f off me.
Get in the car. Get in the
Get in
car.
the
I'm
car.
literally trying to get...
Get in the car.
I said some sick shit.
Sit down.
In the car.
I was trying to get in the f
Sit down.
car. Man, get the f off me.
Oh, shoot. Nah. He just headbutt him? Oh, boy. They gonna get him together. Oh, man. Oh, man. Damn. You was already out of pocket, man. But, man, oh, man. Oh, this ain't gonna be good, boy.
Get in the
Get in
car.
the
I'm
car.
literally trying to
Get in the car.
I said some sick shit.
Sit down.
In the
I
car.
was trying to get in the f
Sit down.
car. Man, get the f off me. Stop. Do it again.
punched him in the face.
Damn, I don't think I shouldn't have said that on camera. Jesus Christ. You see?
Get the fuck off.
Sit down!
Man, get the fuck off. Do it again. I'm in the car. Bro, what
Get in there.
are you doing?
You good? I punched him in the face.
In my book, it's justified to me. You know what I'm saying? Shit. But you are supposed to be able to keep your cool, as a police officer and stuff like that. But shit, if I was in his shoes, I'd do the same thing, boy. That's all you would be. It'd be some thumping going on, boy. What? You headbutted me, boy? What? Oh yeah. Get your ass together, boy. Yo, that is crazy, man. Yeah. But it's a catch-22, you know what I mean? He's handcuffed. He can't really defend, but it is what it is, man. You so big and bad, you decided to headbutt me. Yeah. Boy, oh boy.
Start off like that, sir?
You see what I've been through?
No.
Just because you don't tell me everything right.
I didn't say that, but you just walked into our house. We wasn't out there, baby.
Okay. And y'all ain't never took my side before. And it been on video on the shit I've been through.
All right.
What's a good address for
Yeah,
you?
baby, 226 Myrtle Street.
I need to bring it down.
Yeah, you don't see nothing on my face.
Hey,
You ain't gonna see it if you is.
Over here.
Is you? Yeah. Don't touch me.
We don't need to.
Don't touch me.
He can touch you.
Man, he can't.
Yes, he
Can't
can.
nobody touch me.
Yes, he can.
Stop.
Please get off me.
We need you to
William, do
move
you have a
around,
good
dude.
phone number?
I wasn't.
Don't let him go.
I got loud, but I was not moving.
Do you have a good phone number?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
showing
Born in Ohio?
aggressive behaviors.
Were you born in Ohio?
I wish somebody slam your head into a car and see how calm you get. I'm still moving, or am I just?
Are you just gonna skip the part where you headbutted the officer, or you're not gonna mention that part? We just gonna skip over that.
Talking.
You're still moving.
Were you born in Ohio?
I can't talk like this.
Go ahead and pat him down. He
They
can't.
already did that. Look, I'm still moving. I'm still moving.
Go get the ride.
Yeah, because I love the suit. I love it.
Oh yeah, this is the brother right here. Hold on, boy. These other CEOs, all right, yeah. But this brother right here. This is when they call this brother right here when they have a combative inmate. Yeah, this is the brother they call right here. These guys, whatever. All right. But this guy over here though, oh yeah.
The ride.
Yeah, because I love the suit. I love it.
Why are you yelling?
I just told you multiple times. You never said nothing about it. Multiple times I told you.
Multiple times.
Head slams to cars, slams on the ground. I'm telling you.
We
I'm
didn't
telling
do
you.
that. We didn't do that. But you about to cause us to. You need to calm
Please do
down.
it.
Stop yelling and all that. All of that.
Keep doing it.
Okay.
Because I love lawsuits.
All right. I'm sure you ain't one.
Check everything. I don't have nothing.
Easy,
Do
dude.
what you do. I'm still moving. Or I'm just talking.
You are still moving. Stop tensing up, dude.
Fuck.
Just stand there. Fuck.
This shit is sick. Every time I talk, I'm moving. So I'm going to shut up. Ask them if they patting me down, man. I don't lie. Ask them.
We tried.
Them your team.
He wouldn't let us.
But weed ain't illegal. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to her.
Damn. I'm not
Ask the
yelling.
people who brought me in. Did y'all pat me down?
Why are you doing that?
I told you already.
You is ignorant.
And you ain't didn't know. You're ignorant. Nigga, you guys supposed to be cool after all the shit I just been through? Hell no. Ain't nobody gonna find on me. Take me to my cell. Y'all ignorant.
Okay, take a step back from the wall.
I don't want to move.
Okay, go ahead. Put him right there, with his coat on and all.
Yeah, because there's nothing. When an officer gonna step up and say he has nothing. Damn, this young man I put out the car, slammed on his head, banged against the f***ing car. When is the officer gonna step up and say that?
Turn back to me.
Fuck y'all.
Where is what's up? On the wall.
Switch whatever. I'm not gonna move. And you motherfuckers get lost. I don't want to step back unless you really want me to.
We're switching cuffs first.
I'm just talking to one person. Everybody in here, y'all are so tough. Other people, man, come on.
Easy.
That was just on my ass. That's all I was trying to say. Come on, man. Y'all see it too. At least that. I just can't wait till everybody know who I am. Oh, I'm still moving. Half y'all not even about to have a job after this.
Man, I don't trust you not to move.
That's not what I'm asking. Am I moving, though?
You can run in here and start.
I don't give a f*** what y'all trust, what y'all did to me.
This is exactly.
What y'all do to me?
We weren't
Exactly.
Here. We weren't out there.
No, all right. So that's why I'm aggressive.
Step back from the wall.
I don't care. Y'all gonna do this for you anyways. Y'all gonna bang my head. Y'all gonna throw me on the ground. What the f***? I will get down. Wait, I will get down, fam.
I love my correction brothers, man. Listen, there's a reason. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, man. There's a reason. Listen, if you're new to the channel, you don't know this, but welcome to the channel. But for the people that watch me, they know that I was a former correction officer. Listen, there's a reason you don't see much body cam footage from prison, okay? From jails, corrections. It's a completely different ball game, okay? They will get you together in there, all right? That's a fact. This ain't, it's a little different. The police officers is a lot different, you know what I mean? It's a lot different, yeah. Corrections? It's a completely different ball game. You better come correct. You better come correct, man. Correction. They gonna correct your behavior, boy. Look at it. He said, wait, hold on. I will. Look. Watch this.
I don't care. Y'all gonna do this for you anyways. Y'all gonna bang my head. Y'all gonna throw me on the ground. What the f***? I will get down. What?
Y'all gonna do what y'all gonna do anyways. Y'all gonna bang my head. Y'all gonna... He said, wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay. Right. Keep playing them games. Okay.
I don't care. Y'all gonna do this for you anyways.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna bang my head. Y'all gonna throw me on the ground. What the f***? I will get down. Wait, I will get down. Fam, what the f***? I'm not even... I'm literally not the way. Okay. You got one leg in there. I'm not moving.
Straighten your leg.
He's got the leg.
Lift your leg. Where's the tie?
You could check my fucking movement. Am I moving?
Just slow. Nice and easy.
You got my whole back. Am I moving? Be honest, sir. You got my back. I'm not moving.
Yellow side up.
That's sick. You have both your hands on my back, sir.
And then crank it all the way over.
Right. But was I moving at the time?
Crank. No, you just stay where you are.
Right. But my legs is not lifted up. You don't need to weigh them down.
This is the point of it.
No, you don't need to weigh them down because they not lifting up. I'm going to win. I'm in fucking handcuffs. What can I do? Keep talking about easy. What can I do? Man, take me to my cell. Take me to my cell, man.
Easy.
Take me to my cell.
See, you still got the cop there, so you getting some body cam footage, you know what I'm saying? But do you see any of these correction officers wearing body cams? Do you see anything? It is a completely different world in there, okay? Completely different world. Do you see any of these COs body cam? You don't see not one body cam. And you don't think they have problem inmates? Okay.
The suspect was charged with driving under the influence, child resisting arrest, and battery to an officer. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and be sure.
Yeah, good video, man. Good video. Just a little taste. And that's not even really where they at. He'll be there for a few hours and he'll be out, whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? That's not really jail or it's jail, but it's not, it's just, I'm gonna just put it like, it's a completely different ball game. That's all I can say. I can't say too much, but I'm gonna tell you like that. It is a completely different ball game being inside of a county jail or a prison. You know what I'm saying? What completely different ball game versus police officers who are on the street dealing with the public and everything like that, man. Cool. Shout out to them police officers, man, because they deal with a lot. And you have the public, you got people filming you all the time and all. It's just, it's people that's not even a part of what's going on. That's just on the side of the street filming everything. It's completely different. But there is a reason that you do not see much body cam of inside of prisons. It's a completely different world. And that's all I could tell you. You better act right. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.